Jose in the East Tex Jensen area has a question about building a home.
Yeah, he's building. No one wants some water heater advice, and it has to do with foam. Jose writes, I used spray foam insulation in the attic and installed a water heater up there, but I made a closet for it and had the plumber run a 4-inch PVC out the roof for ventilation. Is there any safety concerns in your mind with this, Tom? A contractor told Jose that the water heater should be in the garage instead of the attic because of that insulation.
Well, you have the vent going out, but you also have intake air if it's a gas water heater, which I assume it is because you have a vent going out to it. So if you have the right air exchange, you can even put them in closets and homes, so I don't have a problem with that. I just want to make sure that it has oxygen to feed it, and you're able to exhaust the fumes when it heats it up and burns.
Because it's not going to escape through the foam.
No, you have to, but people put them in closets and houses. My mother had one in her house in her laundry room, so it's the same concept. You just have to make sure you feed it through, and they had to vent it out. But that's kind of a foam space. It's an enclosed space.
If it was your druthers, would you have it in the attic or the garage?
If the garage was close enough, I would have it in the garage, only because it's easier to service.
Right.
Okay. Also, on the new homes we built, we would use on-demands, and we'd put them on the outside of the home over by the air conditioning system. But it's that centrally located thing, and that's why people put them in the attics, because homes get so big today that you want to just get to centrally locate it to where at least it gets to where it needs to go quicker. That's why the attic is used.
The Texas cellar.
You didn't see it when homes were 1,200 square feet. It was always in the garage or the closet and laundry because it wasn't that much room. Today they're 4,000 square feet, so it gets to be pretty hard to get that water where you want it all the time. 5,000, 6,000. Yeah.
Well, we had 8 humans living there. We needed the space.
I know, but 8 humans eventually leave.
Yeah, how I have learned.
Okay, I learned that too, actually.
All right. We're happy we can help you learn what you need when you send us questions to fix up your home and keep it running well. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.